Now it's easy to protect your flower and vegetable gardens from small animals. Introducing the do-it-yourself expandable garden fence from Crafted Products. The fence is easy to assemble and installs in minutes with absolutely no tools required. Simply align two opposite ends of fencing, slide the stake through the guide holes, and push it into the ground. That's it. Continue adding more panels until you enclose the desired area. Each fence kit includes 6 panels and creates up to a 2-foot by 4-foot fence. Simply combine kits to create the amount of fencing you need for the size of your garden or flower bed. There's no limit to the size of your fence. You can even easily bend the mesh panels to create custom corners or even circular fences for individual plants. The expandable garden fence is as easy to remove and store as it is to install. Simply pull the stakes out of the ground and fold the sections flat. Keep the beauty and freshness in and the small animals out of your garden with the expandable garden fence.